Today I am gonna discuss the most important topic in the networking connectivity, that is called a cabling. So by using a cabling methods, like different way of connecting a different devices, like a router to router, router to switch, router to hub, or any device that are we going to connect with wire needs a connecting device, need a connecting cable. So that may be a serial cable, Ethernet cable, so different types of cables. So today I am going to discuss the most important cable, that is called an Ethernet cable, or you can also say that it is an internet cable or this CAT6 cable. So this cable, the cable you are seeing is here, that is called a CAT6 cable. So generally it is written on the cable label, that's what type of cable is that, and the connector that is using to connect to the devices, that is called a RJ45 connector. So RJ45 connector is a 8-pin connector in which the 4 paired cable wires are in this cable, and when you separate off each wires, that becomes the 8 cables. So we connect in the some color code patterns. So we will also discuss the what is a color code pattern, and where the color code patterns are used, and by combining the color code patterns, like if you connect, you have to connect to straight through, or you connect to like cross the cables. So generally you see in color coding, like I've discussed the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 and 8. So these are the 8 wires, and I am going to also like numbering again: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now when you cut this cable and see the what are the colors, then the colors are white orange, orange, white blue, blue, white green, green, and white brown, brown. Here is also but when you connect these cables to like simply like to this is called a RJ45 connector. RJ45 connector. This is the RJ45 connector that I was saying is here. That is the RJ45 connector. So when you simply connect like this cable to these points, so there are separate wire sections in this cable in this connector. So when you connect directly like orange to this first connector, like orange to second, and white blue to white blue, and after that green to the on fourth number, now white green to green, and blue to this, and to 7th number, and this to 8th number. Now I have done here that I have crossed these cables like different like connector to each cables, different cables. So why I have done there, because the straight through cable is used for connecting different devices, like if you want to connect your router to switch, or if you want to connect your router to PC or router to any other like different device, not same device, then you use the straight through cable for connecting. But if you want to connect the same devices like router to router, switch to switch, switch to hub, or PC to switch, for PC to PC, like other same device, then you use a crossover cables. So crossover cables are used to connect the same devices like router to router, switch to switch. So when you have to connect the same devices, then you follow these color codings pattern. But when you have to connect different devices, then you have to change the color coding and just simply make it straight through, like a straight through. So why I'm doing this, because why I'm not connecting every device is like a same color coding pattern. So this is because the same devices having the same series connectors. Like if you let's suppose if this is the port of switch and first device switch like S1, and let's suppose this is the port of S2 switch, then the pins are both of the switches are same. So that's maybe can cause the problem of connecting of same devices through straight through cable. So we generally cross over these pins, middle pins, and connect with each other. That's why we are using a straight through cable for connecting us different devices, and for same devices we use the crossover cables. Now if we talk about the speed of the CAT6 cable, now this cable, the CAT6 cable, if we talk about the speed, what is the speed of this cable? So for this is the speeds called 250 megahertz, and for 55 meter range it goes to the speed of 10 GB per second, and it's generally up. There are something also, some also use the cables like CAT5e and CAT5. So depending on the cable, like CAT, there are total there are total CAT 1 to CAT 8. So there are total 8 types of cabling methods are used. So different cables have their different speeds and different range of the providing the range. Like if you talk about the CAT6 cable, then it provides a speed of 10 GB per second. Of 55 meters. If we increase more speed, more range of the cable, then the speed will be slow. And if we decrease the, if we short the speed distance of this cable, then the speed is fast. Generally on the how much we extend the cables. कोई बाकी रहेगा. Now if I talk about the different cable types, like types of cables, like type of cables used in connecting, then I have to say the first is straight through cable. The first one is straight through cable. The second one is crossover cable. The third one is like a fiber optics cable. This is called also twisted pair. These are the twisted pair cable. Generally 3 types of cable, like twisted pair, coaxial, and fiber optics. So this straight through cable and crossover cable comes in twisted pair, and fiber optics is generally a fiber optics cable. Now if we talk about fourth, that is called serial cable. This cable is used for generally collecting for long ranges. So now these cables are now less used and replaced by the fiber optics. Fiber optics replaced this connecting link nowadays. Generally you see when you want that for router connection in your internet connection in your home or office, then you order for a router connectivity, then the fiber optics cable is used for connection in your route in your home or in your office. Now there are different types of most cables, but mostly that are also like you can use for telephone cables, but that is used for telephone connectivity. That is not come. For internet we use a straight through cabling and crossover cabling, and for long ranges like straight through and serial cables. Now that's all. Now thanks for watching the video. If next parts or next topics I will discuss in a different video.